Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Bybit. For that, first of all, launch your Bybit mobile application, then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, select the deposit option and then select deposit crypto. Here you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can transfer and withdraw. So among these, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer from your Coinbase account. So let's say you want to transfer Cardano. So you just have to simply tap on Cardano and then it will ask you to select the network. So by default ADA or the Cardano network will be here. So you just have to select it. Then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy this address from here, then go back to your Coinbase account, and from there you just have to simply initiate the transferring process by providing this deposit address. So once the transaction is completed, you will receive your Cardano in your Bybit account. So if you want to view them, you just have to simply come to the home page and tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here in the accounts, you will have funding account, unified trading account, and inverse derivatives account. So you most probably get your money into the unified trading account, and here it will show you on this page. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching.